door. What? I'm FNAF and FNAF plushie.
I'm Puppy Plushie. No, wait!
Ow.
You're a rip-off on me!
I'm not. I'm not. Ow, ow, ow. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop. Ow. Bro, we can be friends. We can be friends. We can be friends.
Why would I be a friend of a bad plushie?
Bro, chill out. Everybody's cool.
Why would I chill out if you're gonna rip me off?
And me too. I just want to make my own plushie videos. KO. No, I did. I finished it off with the KO exhibit. Hey everybody, Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that little skit we did. Right, Xavier?
Yeah, and Puppy's gonna wear his stuff.
Check out my friend's channel. It is Xavier Plushie.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
I will link it down in the description.
Yeah, you will. And make sure Puppy learns his lesson because he's gonna learn his lesson. He's gonna learn his lesson.
Yep. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Subscribe, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and for more videos. And I'll see you all next week. Bye.
Attack! Attack! Attack!